Hello and welcome to this quick tutorial video where I show you how to enable the ability to see what your ping is within Fortnite. So what you want to do is you can do this on any platform. I'm on PC, but it doesn't matter if you're on console or whatever you're on. And once you're here, you want to click on your profile image there and go to your image there where you see your friends list. And then you go to settings where you see the gear icon. So navigate to the settings here within Fortnite. And then I want you to go right up here where it says Game UI, and then over on the left-hand side, you're going to see a bunch of options. Go to HUD options, click into HUD options here, and then once under HUD options, you want to scroll down to where you see something that says Net Debug Stats, and make sure that is enabled. And then if you go here, you can see that not only is my FPS visible, but my ping as well. So you have to enable Net Debug Stats, and then it allows you to have that element visible in game. So not only can you see your ping, as you can see it changing here, going up and down, but you can also see your FPS as well. Have any questions? Put those in the comment section below. If this helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.